Are you a landlord or looking to become a landlord? New landlords often try to take the DIY approach to finding tenants to save on agents' fees. And why not? After all, there are several platforms out there, Gumtree, other social medias, that can help you do this. Trust me, sidestepping the tenant formal referencing may seem like a good idea, but in the long run, this will prove a headache to you. It may lead to sleepless nights for you, property damage, in the end up legal expenses that you weren't expecting. So the internet is there for use and it's easy to find plenty of applicants, plenty of tenants, but will it find you a good tenant? You'll tend to find that most professional renters will go for a bricks and mortar agency as they feel that these are less likely to be scams. Landlords can be scammed too. Tenants aren't the only ones to be scammed. When you put your advert online, they can look at the advert and gain information, and you can end up being the victim of a scam yourself. Some landlords will even look to putting through social media, through their Facebook page, asking for friends and family that would like to rent the property. From our vast experience, this is never a good idea, as this can end up with family rifts and friendship divisions. Also, renting to family and friends, you need to be aware of your mortgage obligations and even insurance implications. Some buy-to-let mortgages don't allow you to rent to family and friends, and some insurances would be void for this. Sometimes when a landlord knows the tenant, they're very tempted to not bother with a contract. Please never ever do this, as it will limit your options legally when anything goes wrong.